Okay, so today I would like to show you two easy ways to make slime. Um, this is something great to do if you're a parent and you have children and you would like to have a craft day with them. It's pretty much anything, it's pretty much things that you can find around the house. If you're a teacher and you would like to do an experiment with your students, this is also a great thing to do with them. Or if you're just somebody who wants to learn how to make slime, this is something easy to do. So, what you'll need to make slime is glue. Um, I prefer to use Elmer's. You can use any type of white glue if you like. You can use clear glue as well. You will need something to mix your slime in. So I have containers and some spoons to mix them with. Food coloring if you would like to have colored slime. You'll need a measuring cup. You'll need some type of liquid activator. This is Staflo, which is just liquid starch. You can find this in the laundry detergent aisle. If you do not have Staflo, you can use borax, which is the powdered form. But with borax, you have to mix it with water. Or you can use contact solution. That works as well. And then we'll need shaving cream, and this is to make the second type of slime, and some type of container to store your slime in after you have made it so it doesn't dry out or it's not all over the house or it's not on any clothing. It's just a great thing to use if to take with you. So I will show you how to make the first one. Um, and with this now, I'm just going to use one bottle of glue, but you can use as much glue as you would like. So you can use one, two, three bottles of glue. You can use a gallon if you would like, but the more glue you use, the more slime you will have. So from here, once you have added the glue to the bowl, this is where you want to go ahead and start coloring your glue. I am going to use purple. So I'm just going to add a few drops, and then you'll just want to go ahead and mix that together. Ooh, that's a pretty purple. And you'll just keep mixing and mixing and mixing until you get the color that you want. And then from here, after we have colored it, there you go. Then this is where you want to add your activator. So again, I have Staflo. I'm just going to pour some into my measuring cup. I'm not going to pour a lot because I don't need a lot. With this, you want to slowly add it into your glue mixture. You don't want to pour it in too fast. You don't want to pour it all in at once because you don't want it to end up too watery. So you just add a little at a time and mix it together. And then at this point, you can start to actually see the consistency of your glue change. I'm going to add a little bit more. And again, you just keep mixing this, and you can actually see it start to change from glue to a more slimy consistent. I'm going to add just a little bit more. There we go. And then once you have this all mixed, you just kind of take it out of the container. Nice, right? And then you will proceed to knead it. I'm not going to knead this one just because I need to make the second one. So for the second one, you pretty much do the exact same thing with the first one. You will add your glue. And again, this is something great to do with younger kids because younger kids love to make messes. So this is great. Now for the fluffy slime, once you've added your glue, you'll go ahead and add your shaving cream. There we go. This is something that you can find under your dad's sink. You can go to the store and get it. shaving cream is pretty much easy to find. And then you'll go ahead and you'll mix your glue and your shaving cream together. And because these are all household items, cleanup is a breeze if you start to make a mess. If it starts to get on your counter or whatever workspace you're using, it's not going to be that big of an issue to clean it up. And then here, this is where you'll want to add color. If you'd like to get a little fancy, you can go ahead and add glitter to it. My girls typically add glitter or crunchy beads that they get from the craft store. They add those. They typically have at least 10 different slimes going on at once in the house. So you will mix your color in, and you mix it to the color you get. And then again, this is where you will add your activator in. We'll just slowly pour that in and mix it. And again, you can immediately start to see the change from a very glue consistency to a very stretchy slime consistency. So this is a lot of fun, actually. And like I said, this is great for students if you are teaching something about science and chemical changes and stuff. And so with this, after you get it to the consistency you want, you will just start to knead it together. And you'll knead this for a while. And then once you are finished kneading, that clearly needs more Staflo, you just put it in a container. You put this in your container. It's a great way to store it, take it with you, and that is 2 quick, easy ways to make slime. Have fun!